Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Civic trunk latch. First, let's diagnose the specific problem. Is your trunk not opening at all, or is it failing to latch securely? Perhaps it rattles when you drive. We'll check both your key fob and the interior release button. Listen closely for any clicking sounds when you try to open it, as this can point to an electrical issue. Pinpointing the exact symptom is the crucial first step to a successful repair. Many trunk latch problems are mechanical and often simple to resolve. Start by applying a good quality lubricant to all the moving components of the latch mechanism. This can restore smooth operation. Sometimes, the striker plate on the trunk lid might be misaligned, requiring a minor adjustment with a 10mm socket to ensure a perfect fit. Always check for any physical obstructions that could be blocking the latch from engaging or releasing properly. These simple steps can often save you time and effort. If mechanical adjustments don't solve the issue, we'll delve into the electrical system. The trunk release solenoid is a common culprit. We'll check if it's receiving power and activating correctly. Don't forget to inspect your vehicle's fuse box for a blown fuse, as this can completely disable the latch. Also, pay close attention to the wiring harness that runs into the trunk lid, as wires can sometimes fray or break over time, interrupting the electrical signal to the latch. When all else fails, replacing the entire trunk latch assembly might be necessary. For safety, always disconnect your car's battery before starting any electrical work. You'll typically need to remove some interior trim panels from the trunk lid to gain access to the latch. Carefully unbolt the old unit, usually with a 10mm socket, disconnect any release cables and electrical connectors, and then install the new latch. Ensure all bolts are tightened and electrical connections are secure for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.